Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. So I'm Shabuj from Green Stuff from a Garden Cat. So in this episode, we are going to talk about the Anthurium propagation. So propagation. So this is most awaited videos. Please watch till end so you can have a good ideas on propagation, how we can do. And also I'm going to show you the 5 years old Anthurium plant outside of my house. These newly grown leaves are so soft, but it's not having any velvety hand feel. This is the Anthurium flowers as like as other Anthurium. This plant sounds like a mangrove forest where all their rooting systems are in the open air so they can breathe enough and grow faster. Their vines are hard enough with the newly grown leaves is a cool combination. As you can see, these vines, this roots is coming out extra from this rooting system, and this one is really good for propagate this plant. Otherwise you can do root system propagation, that is a different case, but this will be really faster as it's already came out from that root system. So this is quite big and it's like at least 5 years old, this plant, and there are a lot of colors variation here and a lot of growth. So I really love this plant as it is having so velvet effect. So let's move to the propagation part right now. So finally here we have got, and there are two types of propagation we know here for Anthurium especially. So one is the root cutting propagation, from there where we can cut the root and we can propagate, and we can develop another propagation system is from that small plant, like this sort of plant. Here in this video what I will do is I will separate this root and I will develop another separately Anthurium, and this one will be my main Anthurium. Soil making things, I have earlier made one videos that I have given to that I button. From there you can check definitely. So from here we'll do that, we'll cut this root from here, and we will propagate. So this we have got, and this one what we'll do is like from here it will develop some root here and there. We'll keep in this coco peat mixture, so it will help to get develop the root faster, and definitely we'll give some lot of water. We'll give lot of water. Just try to give water every day. So check it out if this is not getting like dry. Most of the Anthurium are growing into the moist area. So this one we have a good root system, and we have nice healthy leaf, as this is a baby Anthurium. So there is a lot of chance to grow faster if we take care of this plant. You have to give some deep hole, but most of the time please make sure that Anthurium roots are always like top to the surface, and it always love to get the fresh air. Stone is always good to me, so I'll give some stone around this plant, so it will have some good company. Two propagation we are doing. So this one I can share the updated videos into next month, so I can keep you posted in that. And this one is done. It will take a couple of days to fit into this pot. Hey guys, thanks for watching these videos. I hope you like these videos, and I was really expecting to have your attention in this YouTube channel. I need your big support guys, so please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is a lot of hard work over I'm doing here to grow this channel, so I just need your support guys. Make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends and all. See you next Friday. Thank you.